my goggles on, I'm ready to dive through a pixel world where I come alive. Shadows morph and colors collide. In this code I feel so amplified. Polygons dancing in electric light. Figures forming from the digital night. Binary stars, they shimmer and fight. I'm a traveler in virtual flight. Shape the world with the wave of my hand. 3D fantasies at my command. From a wireframe sketch to a neon land, I'm a sculptor in a reality so grand. Layers and textures, I twist and turn. Virtual fires in which I burn. From a simple mesh to a complex fern. In this dream there's so much to learn. Shape the world with the wave of my hand. 3D fantasies at my command. From a wireframe sketch to a neon land, I'm a sculptor in a reality so grand. In the space where physics bend and sway, where the virtual becomes real today, I'm the architect of a cyber play. In this world I'll always stay.